Hello, I'm Rick Chua. I'm a neurosurgeon at the University of Arizona and Tucson, and I'm delighted to be here for the 12th annual Spine Master's course. And here's what's happening this week at SSF. Join us Monday as we team up with the Journal of Neuro-Oncology for Tumor Talk. The latest journal articles will be explored in detail. Tuesday, the University of Miami will host our Interesting Spine Case Discussion Series. Professor Martin Smirka will be the featured speaker Wednesday morning at our cerebrovascular Q&A discussion session. Thursday is our Neuroradiology Grand Rounds Case Conference. And please mark your calendar for July 26th and 27th when we will host our second annual Endoscopic Spine Surgery Symposium. This is the first multi-institutional didactic symposium in the United States that focuses exclusively on endoscopic spine surgery. Please note that this conference will not be streamed live. You will need to attend in person to have full access to the demos and lectures. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation.